Alright fam, we're coming back to set up the 320 watt full spectrum dimmable Medic Grow Mini Sun 2. So I've got the hangers here, and there's little spots right here you just hook the hangers to. Right through there like that. And I have my ratchet hangers up already. So I'll hook it to that. And take this other one, hook it through the holes, bring it up. Now it's hanging up. I just gotta get this cord through. We'll fire it up. Wow. There you have it. Mini Sun 320 watt by Medic Grow, fully set up. Oh wow, that's bright. It's blinding. I'd say it's almost twice as bright as my previous light. Alright, then we're gonna go over here. That's the built-in dimmer on the right. And that's the timer on the left. That's awesome, right? Alright, guys. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time here at the 420 Grow Room. Till later. Peace.